Well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. Today's video, I will give you a gem that no one is talking about, and of course, this is the one that you need to take a look at in the down market. So, without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about Swasticoin. Now, if you're begin, like I always say, please do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't already, and remember to click on link below to join my Telegram group right away. So, you can see here, this token right over here is actually started catching the attention of whales. Yes, this token is becoming quite famous recently, named Swasticoin, with no links to the website, no links to Twitter, don't have any good presence on social media, but suddenly it is actually gaining traction. You can see the pump.fun page. Let me tell you this on the day chart. Just look at here, it is launched like on 12th of March 2025, and right now you can see this token has again started pumping after the big pump that leads to 8 cent. Now why is this trending? We don't know, but I can tell you this can be the next big thing because whales have started buying it. By looking at the smart contract, which is right over here, you can find out this token is quite decentralized in nature. The top 10 wallets are holding not more than how much? 15, 20%, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Close to, I can say, less than 20% of the total supply. That is actually good. Now, if you look at the smart contract in detail, you will come to know that the total supply is just around 1 billion tokens, which is very good. But the best part is the holders have started increasing. This is 12838, the number right over here, and it is increasing. You can see the pump a jump from here. Now we talk about its price action. Just look at the price action. Like I showed you, its market cap is just around $5 million only, which is nothing. With a supply of close to 1 billion token, this supply is actually nothing, and you have two zeros to again remove. So clearly this one is catching a lot of attention. Below you see here, you will see the token is listed on Radium Meteora, Lbank and XT.com. Clearly not many people, especially retail traders, they don't know about this token. But if I go to the Mobi AI, which reports the tokens, you can see here among small cap coins, YZY is attracting notable whale interest with the highest net inflow recently. So again, the sticker of this token is YZY, Swasticoin, this one, right? And again, whales activity indicates a focus on YZY, suggesting significant capital movement into this token. And I have taken a stand on this token by searching for it. And when I search for it, you can see here, despite the downfall, the whales are again buying this token. There are net inflows in the last 2 days, including today. That means something is cooking in this token. Can Swasticoin reach $1? Well, I cannot say that, but can it reach 10 cents? That is possible. 10 cents is possible if the same momentum continues, because the all-time low you see here is actually 0.002 and all-time high is nearly 4 cents. So again, reaching 10 cents is not very difficult. We know we are in the down market, everything is crashing, but this token, I believe, can be a good gamble for those who love meme coins. Of course, this is not a financial advice, but again, that can happen just like the thing happened with loaded loins when I covered that token at 0.004 and then it pumped like crazy, giving 10x return within week of the launch. So clearly keep your eyes on this token. I will share the smart contract in the description. Remember to check out the smart contract before buying it, and again, please DYOR, do your due diligence before investing into any token. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.